Hi, I'm Jay, and today we're going to talk about doing the normal routine maintenance on a Honeywell whole house humidifier. Depending on the model of your humidifier, it can be mounted in several locations. One of them is the return air duct here. It could also be mounted on the plenum up here, where ours is. Ours is side mounted on the plenum. There's another option, which is mounted under the ductwork. We don't have really any horizontal ductwork here to show you, but it could technically be mounted under the ductwork. So those are the three possible locations. This particular model happens to be a bypass style. The powered humidifiers are very similar. They just have a fan on them and no bypass duct, but the maintenance is basically the same. Now, the first thing you want to do before you start working on this unit is to turn off the power to the humidifier, the furnace, and also turn off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. Now that the power is turned off, let's take the cover off of this thing. Just unscrew it and lift it off. While we're in here, we're going to take a look here. This is the bypass damper. Right now it's in the winter position, which means it's open. There's summer position closed. So you're going to want to make sure that that is placed in the winter position when you go to use this thing. The water goes up to this little black hose up to the top. So we're going to pull out the pad. And remove the hose. Okay, so there we go. So now we have the pad frame and pad in our hands. The next thing to do is to disassemble this. We're going to throw away the pad. This is a once a year occurrence. So every 12 months or more often, if you have really bad water, you're going to want to replace this pad. And then you're going to want to clean these other pieces up. They get all scaled up over the course of time, and it's nice to get them nice and clean before you're ready to run it again. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.